Blackheads Explained Through Real Experience. This title is not a promise, it is a lesson I learned the hard way. Start improving skin clarity today. My struggle with blackheads did not start suddenly, it crept in slowly: oily mornings, clogged pores, and a rough texture that never felt clean. I washed my face more, scrubbed harder, used stronger products, and somehow it only got worse. According to Mayo Clinic, blackheads form when pores clog with oil and dead skin cells and oxidize at the surface. That explanation shifted my mindset. This was not dirt, this was imbalance. My habits were quietly feeding the problem. Over-cleansing, harsh scrubs, heavy products, and constant touching. The American Academy of Dermatology notes, aggressive cleansing can trigger more oil production. Once I understood the mechanism, I stopped attacking my skin. Simplified science. Excess sebum mixes with dead cells, clogs the pore. Oxygen darkens the surface. Forcing extraction irritates the pore and worsens blockage. Balance clears pores. Pressure damages them. I started with gentler steps. Warm water preparation. Warmth softens oil and relaxes pore openings. 5 minutes. Not steam extremes. Then came salicylic acid. Low concentration. According to studies in the Journal of Dermatology, salicylic acid penetrates oil, helping loosen clogged material. Practical use: 2 to 3 times weekly. Clay masks played a role. Clay absorbs excess oil without stripping moisture. The British Journal of Dermatology links clay use to reduced surface oil. Once weekly, not daily. Niacinamide changed everything. It supports barrier function and regulates oil production. NIP publications associate it with improved skin texture. Used consistently, not aggressively. What surprised me was what made blackheads worse. Pore strips, harsh scrubs, alcohol toners. They gave instant results, but long-term damage. Important clarification: skin response varies by type. Some methods may irritate sensitive skin. Moderation matters always. Short safety reminder: consult a dermatologist if severe. Possible side effects: temporary purging or redness. Adjust frequency, not intensity. How I tracked progress: texture under natural light, oil balance by midday, fewer clogged pores. Bi-weekly check, not daily obsession. Improvement was gradual, not instant. This journey taught me patience and respect for skin biology. Blackhead control is not speed, it is consistency. Final message: support the skin, do not fight it. If this story helped, interact with the video naturally, like, comment, and stay balanced.